Let us derive a function for deleting a record from a binary file. So this is the code for modifying a record from a binary file. If the function is deleting a record, three changes are there to be made. Change 1, name of the function, you can make it delete data. Second change, no need to read the new total marks because you are deleting a record, so this statement does not exist. You can write pass, and this appending should be done in the else part. Now why the appending should be done in the else part, let me explain using an example. So remember the three changes. Change 1, name of the function. Change 2, no need to read the new total marks because you are deleting the record, and in the else part, dictionary should be appended to a list. Let me explain this using an example. It's an infinite while loop. Load function will retrieve the first dictionary from the binary file, and D points to the first dictionary. If D of roll number equal to R, what is D of roll number for the first dictionary? It is 10. So 10 equal to 20, condition wrong. So control comes to else part. The first dictionary is appended into the list. So L contains the first dictionary D1. Again, because of infinite while loop, second dictionary retrieved from the file, and your D points to the second dictionary. Now D of roll number, what is D of roll number? 20. So 20 equal to 20, condition true, so nothing to be done. This dictionary should not be appended to the list L because this is the record that we want to delete, so D2 will not be there in the list. Because of infinite while loop, the third dictionary retrieved from the file, your variable D points to the third dictionary. D of roll number, that is 30, in the third case 30 equal to 20, condition wrong, so control comes to else part. Why the condition was wrong? This is not the dictionary to be deleted, so control comes to else part. The dictionary is appended into the list, so the third dictionary comes in the list. Again, because of infinite while loop, statement repeats but end of the file reach. Load function throws end of the file error. It is caught here. On reaching end of the file, there isn't anything to be done. Finally, you close the file. So now the list contains only two dictionaries, D1 and D3. The record to be deleted, the dictionary to be deleted is not there in the list L. Now step 1, the file must be opened for writing purpose. So if you open a file for writing purpose in W mode, the existing contents are deleted and the new record will be written to the beginning of the file. Read each and every element of this list L. So you can write for D in L will give you each and every element of the list L. So first D1 comes in variable D, and that should be written to this binary file. So you can write pickle.dump, the data to be written and the file pointer. Finally you close the file. So maybe you understood. Let me explain this using an example. For D in L, the first dictionary comes in variable D. Pickle.dump will dump D1 into the binary file, so that is dumped into the binary file. Now the second element of the list comes in D, and the second element is dictionary D3. Now that is dumped into the binary file, so dictionary D3 is dumped into the binary file. You can see D2 is not there. Now no more elements are there. You close the binary file, so this is removed from the computer's memory. You can see that in the new stud.dat, the record to be deleted is not there, which means the record is deleted. So for the theory exam, you need to study only this function. For the practical exam, we will write a menu driven program incorporating all these functions. So in the case of delete a record, delete data, only three changes are there. You should change the name of the function. No need to read the new total marks, and L dot append should come in the else part. Maybe you understood why it should come in the else part, because if it is the record to be deleted, don't append it to the list, otherwise it should be appended to the list. See, D1, it is not the record to be deleted, so it is appended to the list. D2, that was the record to be deleted, so don't append it to the list, nothing to be done. D3, it is not the dictionary to be deleted, so in the else part you append it.